Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to quickly fix the CrowdStrike update error that many have received on July 19th, 2024, rendering your computer basically useless. So let's get started. You should be at a blue screen that has these advanced repair options. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to go down to troubleshoot, then advanced options, and then command prompt. From there, you're going to be prompted to enter a BitLocker recovery key if your computer is encrypted. Now, if your computer is not encrypted, it's going to be asking you for your user password to get into your computer. This could be a local admin account or some type of admin user account on your computer. So either way, enter that huge long BitLocker recovery key or enter your admin password. And then once you get into the command prompt, you're going to need to switch over to the C drive if you're not already there. Sorry, the screen is so dirty here. You're going to do C:, and then we're going to do CD, Windows, enter. Now we're in the Windows directory. We're going to change to the System32 directory, CD space System32, enter. Now we're going to change to the drivers directory, CD space drivers, and then CD space CrowdStrike. So this is where the problem is. There's one file specifically in this folder that is corrupt and needs to be deleted. So we're going to use DEL to delete, and then we're going to delete this file, C-0000291, and then you can press tab to finish the file name. We're going to go ahead and delete that .sys file, and it has been deleted. Now we're going to click, we're going to type in exit, hit enter, and now we're going to go ahead and click on continue. The computer is going to reboot. If your computer is encrypted, you'll go ahead and put that BitLocker pin in there. I mistyped it the first time, but that's no problem. We'll type it in a second time, and now you can see we have gotten past the BitLocker encryption. Now, of course, your computer may not be encrypted, so you may not have to worry about that. And after just a moment, you should see Windows loaded back and working correctly, and that's how you fix the CrowdStrike update error.